Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to disconnect Shopify from Facebook. Quick guide. In today's digital age, managing online platforms can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're juggling multiple business tools. Perhaps you're trying to streamline your online business operations or diving into a new marketing strategy. Whatever the reason, disconnecting your Shopify account from Facebook can be a necessary step in simplifying your digital workspace. Fortunately, this is a straightforward process that can be accomplished with just a few clear steps. So, whether you're sipping on your morning coffee or taking a break from other tasks, let's walk through this process together. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Shopify website. This is where the journey starts. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in shopify.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the Shopify homepage, which is essentially the central hub for all your e-commerce activities. It's here that your e-commerce journey begins, and sometimes, it's where it needs a little adjustment. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, the next step is to log in. If your Shopify account is linked to your Google account, you can use the Google login option. This is quite handy because it simplifies the login process by allowing you to skip remembering yet another password. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to select the Google account associated with your Shopify store. Choose the appropriate account, and just like that, you'll be logged into Shopify. Now that you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the Sales Channel section. This can usually be found on the left sidebar of your Shopify admin page. You're looking for the Facebook and Instagram option under Sales Channels. This step is crucial as it brings you closer to managing how your Shopify store interacts with your social media accounts, which, in this case, is Facebook. Here's where the disconnection process begins. Locate your Facebook profile photo at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this opens up settings and options related to your Facebook integration. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for accessing the disconnection feature. After you click on your Facebook profile photo, you will see an option to disconnect account. This is the moment you've been preparing for. Click on that option, and you might see a prompt asking you to confirm your action. This is just a standard security measure to ensure you don't accidentally disconnect your accounts. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed what you want to do. By confirming, you're effectively telling Shopify to stop accessing your Facebook account, which halts any synchronization between these platforms. Keep in mind that this disconnection might have some implications, especially if you're using Facebook heavily for marketing or sales. It's always a good idea to consider how this fits into your larger business strategy. However, remember, disconnecting is reversible, and you can always reconnect if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully disconnected your Shopify store from Facebook. This process, which we've neatly wrapped up in under 5 minutes, can help streamline your online selling strategy, give you a fresh start on your marketing efforts, or simply declutter your digital connections. At PMN Online, we always encourage you to think about how each action fits into your overall business goals. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to disconnect Shopify from Facebook, quick guide, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.